In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Vids templates for your brand. Personalizing video content to reflect your brand's unique identity is crucial in establishing a strong connection with your audience. And with Google Vids, this process is both straightforward and creative, allowing you to produce professional grade videos in no time. Let's dive into the steps to make your video content truly your own. First, navigate to Google Vids. It's part of the broader suite of Google Workspace tools designed to enhance productivity and creativity in a collaborative online environment. Once there, you'll see an interface inviting you to either commence a new project or dive into an existing one. But before you can unleash your creativity, you need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button located prominently on the screen. This is your gateway to accessing Google's suite of tools, including Google Vids. Select your Google account from the list that appears. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your work or the brand you're creating content for. This helps keep your projects organized and ensures you have access to the right resources. After successfully logging in, you're ready to tap into the creative heart of Google Vids. Look for the Scene button. This is where your journey into video customization begins. The scene is essentially the building block of your video, allowing you to structure your content scene by scene for maximum impact. Once you've clicked on the scene, it's time to explore the Templates section. This is where Google Vids shines, offering a variety of professionally designed templates that can serve as the foundation for your video. These templates are designed to be versatile, catering to a wide range of styles, themes, and purposes. Whether you're looking to create an explainer video, a product showcase, or something truly unique, you'll find a template to start with. Select the template that best fits your brand's message and aesthetic. Each template comes with its predefined layout, graphics, and animations, but don't let that limit your creativity. Think of these templates as starting points. You'll be able to customize virtually every aspect to ensure it aligns with your brand's identity. Now click on the scene you just added. This is where the real fun begins. Editing elements within your chosen scene is the key to infusing it with your brand's personality. Whether it's tweaking the color scheme to match your brand's palette, changing text to convey your message, or swapping out images and videos for your own, every modification you make brings the scene closer to something that uniquely represents your brand. As you edit, remember the importance of consistency. Your video should not only reflect your brand's visual identity through colors and logos, but also its voice. Ensure the tone of any text or voiceovers aligns with how your brand communicates across other platforms. This consistency strengthens your brand's identity and helps build trust with your audience. Keep experimenting with different elements within the scene until you're satisfied. Google Vids' intuitive interface makes it easy to try out new ideas, see what works, and revise as needed without needing any specialized video editing skills. The goal here is not just to make a video, but to create a piece of content that feels uniquely you. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you can transform any Google Vids template into a video that resonates with your brand's identity. This process is not just about making adjustments to a pre-existing template, it's about realizing your vision for how your brand should be represented and communicated through video. Remember, the key to a great video is not just the visual aesthetics, but also the message it conveys. Take the time to plan out your content, keeping in mind what you want to achieve with your video and what action you want your audience to take after watching it. I hope this video has been helpful. With Google Vids, the power to create engaging, brand-centric video content is at your fingertips. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with it. Your audience will thank you for it. Happy editing.